My journey started like most men's, feeling invisible in the world and only getting laid once or a handful of times a year, if even that. Literally dry spells for like sometimes months or years in a row. I literally thought I was less valuable than girls who looked better than me. Boys, if you relate to that, keep watching. I used to dress up nicely and smile and be nice and everything that people said, but nothing changed how I looked as a human and as a man. I had terrible inflammation, completely disrupted gut and endocrine system, energy levels were low, testosterone levels were not healthy, and my growth was at stake. I had acne, I spent hundreds of dollars on skincare products to heal my acne, spent hundreds on clothes, watches and necklaces and bracelets and rings to make me cooler, and nothing really fucking worked. For reference, this was me. Acne, face all out of proportion. If I never took action, I was cooked for life. And I'm telling you, not only physically, but also with confidence. And now that I have taken action, I've worked on myself and my health and my looks, I look pretty good. And that's what I'm here to help you achieve. So, it didn't really matter since deep down inside, I knew I was ugly because I felt it too. Remember this photo? Yeah. I felt groggy, slow, smelly, and ungroomed and ugly and out of shape. All that money and time wasted and no results on the outside, objectively, object-wise, material-wise, I looked cool, but human-wise, biologically, I didn't. And I'm telling you boys, I'd be attractive 2x faster if only I knew the following. So let's get straight into that. In this video, we will talk about this. Looking attractive is all about your health. And once you make this mental shift, your dating life is actually going to be so much easier as well, because everything becomes simple and logical. Health equals looks. You might have heard that before. But looks also equals health. That's what we'll discuss in this video. What this means is, being an attractive male is all just a reflection of your inner health. So to become attractive as fast as possible, almost illegally, stop doing shit that makes you sick and start doing shit that makes you healthy. Simple. But I'm going to explain the biology and the psychology behind this as well. Very important. But if you want to know specifically the foods and the systems and whatnot that you can learn about after this video, here are the videos I recommend you watch on my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Why is looks actually important though? Why do we and women become attracted to other people who look beautiful? Is it emotions, biology, just attraction? We'll discuss that. When you just focus on looking good rather than being healthy, you miss the entire point of being attractive in the first place. Sure, you're sexy, but you can't fight, you can't run, you can't lift, your testosterone is low, you have fertility issues, and your cock doesn't even work. Oh, but women are looking at you. Cool, but you're not performing. That's what we're going to fix. The whole reason we are attracted to good-looking people is because their looks signal the fact that they can have healthy offspring. That their offspring will be probably genetically better, and that the man is able to look after both the offspring and the mother. So remember how we said health equals looks. Yes, being healthy means you will look better. But remember how we also said looks equals healthy. What that means is, yes, looking good means you are healthy. Very important. They need to work together. And the whole reason looking good means you're healthy is because, or the whole reason that looking good is, again, something that's important, is because you signal to the other person that you will produce healthy children. The children will probably be prosperous. They'll have specific talents, they'll look good, they'll be healthy, whatever, genetic, disease immunity, whatever it is, okay? And most importantly, you'll be healthy enough and alive to be around to raise both the kid and look after your wife. Very important. Looks in women are far more important than looks in a man. A man doesn't necessarily have to look good like a model. They just need to signal the biological signs that they are a genetic outlier and that with them, women would have healthy children. Women are more concerned with your actions and skills rather than general attraction. That's also important. The reason for that is, again, the whole reason attraction works where women become attracted to men is because women inherently and biologically and psychologically are looking for a healthy partner that is not only healthy but also capable. Because healthy means healthy kids, but capable means safe. Very important. They need to be together. So that's why oftentimes you'll see attractive men struggling with dating, and then oftentimes you'll see confident men who aren't attractive not struggle with dating at all. But if we can become both confident and attractive and competent, then we truly become an outlier male, and everything works in our favor. Gym makes you sexy. Yes, it does. But gym develops the skill of discipline, hard work, grit, and confidence, which on top of looking sexy, signals to a woman that you work hard and will work hard for her too. Once you start thinking this way, then all becoming attractive involves is just becoming healthy as fuck. Imagine you lock in and focus on becoming healthy in all areas of your life just for this year alone. Think about where you would be in mental health, physique, relationships, health, and life in general. If you want to get faster, boys, get there faster. You can apply to work with me one-to-one, where I will be by your side getting you to your dream character. I will make you a better looking man. We will improve your attraction in life, physically, so that you have success in life and dating. If you want to work one-to-one with me on that, go to the top link in the description right now. Just another thing I want to say is in regarding to confidence. Being healthy makes you confident. Do you know why? Because you're not stressed. And your masculine testosterone, like your testosterone and your masculine energy is high. And you become confident. And you stop giving a fuck. And you start to take risks. And you start to believe in who you are. That's why becoming healthy makes you confident as well. Every day, boys, you don't take action is another day you have to undo bad health. And when you finally do decide to take action, it might be too late. I learned what I learned at 22 and I'm still learning. Most men will not take action till their 40s. Isn't that crazy? This brings me to the end of the video. Like I said, if you want help getting there faster, if you want my help one-on-one, physically, like there every single day, WhatsApp, weekly calls, everything, apply in the top link. I would be so fucking happy and excited to help you, man, because honestly, you deserve it. Every man deserves to look good and have a good life if they're willing to put the work in. And I know you're willing to put the work in because guess what? You've watched this far. So man, get ready. Take that fucking next step. Let's get you to those results that you want. And I'm telling you, it's possible from the other side. Much love, and I'll see you next time.